Bit about myself, your instructor. My name's Adam, as you probably already know. I am proudly a best-selling Udemy instructor. I have multiple best-selling courses. I have the top Shopify dropshipping course on Udemy. In fact, when I released it, there wasn't a course topic called Shopify Dropshipping. It was just Shopify. They actually made the course topic, so my course had its own topic at one point, and that was pretty crazy and pretty cool and something I'm very proud of. I am trying my best to open people's eyes to the opportunities that are available to us online today and how you can make money where and when you want, even in your sleep, using automated business systems. I have one of the top Facebook ad courses on Udemy with some amazing reviews across all of my courses. So I would stress that if you're in two minds as to whether to pay and take the rest of this course, get full access, then go and check out the reviews on my other courses. I promise you, you're in good hands here. You will not be disappointed. As I said, I have multiple bestsellers in areas such as Shopify, Facebook ads, dropshipping, print on demand, and a couple of other different things like Google Analytics as well. Now, one of the best things that I want to tell you is that I frequently hear that my Udemy courses have helped people a lot more than a more expensive $997 or even $1,997 course. People have gained more knowledge and more skills and more confidence with their business from my own course than they have with these much more expensive courses. Honestly, you're not going to learn anything new in these more expensive courses. You might as well stick to what you know, stick to Udemy, and stick to something that has solid reviews from multiple hundreds, if not thousands, of people in my Shopify dropshipping course's case, for example. One student, in fact, even said that my Shopify dropshipping course taught him a lot more than his $1,000 cost monthly coaching calls with a guru that he just seemed to, he happened to come across online. And he went through this guy's funnel and signed up to $1,000 coaching calls. He learned stuff, but he didn't learn as much as he learned from paying $10 in a Udemy sale to get his hands on my Shopify dropshipping course. So honestly, guys, I tried to keep these courses as value-packed as possible. I tried to deliver maximum value and ask back from you the minimum cost. So you're probably thinking, that's all well and good, Adam. Clearly you can teach. But what do you know about Shopify? Why should I listen to you about Shopify? Well, apart from the fact that majority of my best-selling courses are to do with Shopify and digital marketing, I myself have built and run multiple successful Shopify stores. I know how to set up a high-converting store. I know how to drive quality traffic through omni-channel marketing. And that means I don't just rely on Facebook ads as many people tell you to do. I do a lot of different things. I have many different sources of traffic. And that is probably one of the keys to my success. I've had multiple big six-figure months, and I've scaled one store to over $1 million in revenue. In this course, I'm going to explain the top 10 things I did to take that store from 6 figures to 7 figures in a very, very short space of time. And it was actually almost under 12 months. It was just over 12 months. We managed to 10x this business from $100,000 to $1 million in sales. So I hope you're excited. I hope you're ready to learn something new, something exciting. And honestly, I think some of the stuff I cover in this course is going to be quite an eye-opener to you. Even the guys that are doing great sales, great numbers, I think you're going to find some really, really cool, actionable tips that you can start to take action with right now, and you'll see success with it very quickly.